Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about lists in Python. Lists in Python are versatile data structures that allow storing multiple items in a specific order. These collections can contain diverse data types within the same list. Lists are created by enclosing elements within square brackets and separating them by commas. For example, a list of integers could be written as 1, 2, 3, whereas a list with strings could be apple, banana, orange. The ability to modify lists, also known as mutability, lends flexibility in various programming scenarios. To access elements in a list based on their index starting from 0, utilize the indexing system. For example, to access the first element in a list mylist, use mylist0. To append elements to a list, employ the append method. For instance, appending the element new element to mylist is done by mylist.append new element. To remove elements from a list, leverage the pop method. For illustration, mylist.pop removes the last element from mylist. To work with a list in Python, you can create one using square brackets. For example, to create a list of fruits like apple, banana, orange, you can use fruits equals apple, banana, orange. You can access elements in a list using their index. The index starts from 0, so fruits 0 will give you apple. To add an element to the end of the list, you can use the append method. For instance, fruits.append grapes will add grapes to the list. To remove an element from a specific position in the list, you can use the pop method. For example, fruits.pop1 will remove the element at index 1, which is banana, from the list. To concatenate lists in Python, the plus operator is utilized. For instance, if we have two lists, list 1 equals 1, 2, 3, and list 2 equals 4, 5, 6, concatenating them will result in a new list. List 3 equals list 1 plus list 2, with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To repeat a list, the care operator can be employed. For example, if we have as 1, 2, and we want to repeat it twice, we can use list 2, list 1 times 2, which will create a new list. List 2 equals 1, 2, 1, 2. To check if a specific element is present in a list, the in keyword is used. If we have a list, fruits equals apple, banana, orange, and we want to check if banana is present in the list, we can use the expression banana in fruits, which will return true. By incorporating these methods, you can efficiently manipulate lists in Python for various programming tasks. In Python, you can concatenate lists by using the plus operator. For example, result equals numbers 1 plus numbers 2 would combine numbers 1 and numbers 2 into a single list. Lists can be repeated by using the char operator. For instance, 1, 2, 3 would result in 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, as the list 1, 2 is repeated 3 times. To check if an element is present in a list, you can use the in keyword. For instance, 4 in numbers 2 would return true if 4 is present in the list numbers 2. A list in Python is like a shopping list, where you can keep track of all the items you need to buy. Each item on the shopping list is like an element in a Python list. You can add new items to your shopping list or remove items that you no longer need, just like you can add or remove elements from a Python list. When you go shopping, you can access each item on your list and check it off once you have purchased it, just like you can access and manipulate each element in a Python list. By organizing your shopping list, you can make your trip to the store more efficient and ensure that you don't forget anything. Similarly, in Python, by using lists, you can organize and store data in a structured way. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. This Python script showcases the use of lists in managing a shopping list. Initially, a shopping list is created containing items such as apples, bananas, milk, bread, and eggs. To add a new item to the list, the append method is employed where cheese is appended to the shopping list. Similarly, the remove method is utilized to eliminate milk from the list. The updated shopping list is then displayed using a loop to print each item with a bullet point. Following this, a simulation of shopping progress is displayed by iterating through the shopping list and checking off each item. Additional actions can be performed within this loop for real-world use cases. After checking off all items, a completion message is printed out. To access individual items in the list, their position in the list is utilized, with the first and last items being revealed using list indexing. This script serves as an example of the practical application of Python lists for tracking, updating, and accessing items in a list, drawing parallels to real-life scenarios like managing a shopping list. One industrial application of lists in Python is inventory management systems. In warehouses or stores, Python lists can be used to store and track items in stock, add new inventory items, remove items that are out of stock, update quantities, and perform various operations on the inventory list to manage stock levels effectively. Another real-world example is task management applications. To-do lists or task lists in productivity apps utilize Python lists to store tasks, prioritize them, mark tasks as completed, remove tasks, and display task details. Lists are a fundamental data structure in such applications for organizing, tracking, and managing tasks efficiently. Lists in Python are versatile and widely used for data manipulation and organization tasks in various industries and applications across the globe. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.